Alrighty guys, so today we have a very simple DIY and it's going to feature the E30, sneak peek with the E30 325 IS, pretty cool. So, what are we doing today? Monowiper. Say monowiper.
Monowiper.
Alright, we're doing monowiper today on the E30. It is going to be a DIY. We did not buy the VAC Motorsports kit, that's $500, because why would you ever buy that? So, it's very simple. We got some wipers going on. You're gonna take off this wiper, then figure out how you're gonna cap it. We're probably just gonna put a normal cap on there, probably by Home Depot or something. And then we're gonna remove this wiper and then clock it a little further up so that it wipes all the way across the windshield. All right, you got it all the way across. So you're gonna clock it up. So I wanna show you guys how to do that now, but it's just a little rundown of what's going on today. The driver's side wiper. We open the hood to avoid any paint damage. All right, that's it. So that's off. All right, Danny, you might want to get on this side. Look at this E30. Oh, look at mine. Oh, E30. 325 IS is back there. Cool thing is that on these cars, the passenger side wiper is already in the middle, so it's not that hard. It's not gonna have the look of like the one going straight down the middle right there, but I think that's what we're gonna go for, just a single wiper. We're gonna try it on now and see how it looks. I mean, see how it wipes. Oh, that's backwards. It'll probably take you guys a few tries to get it right. Because it's giving us a hard time right now. I think you have to make sure that it returns all the way before we... Like, make sure it returned all the way down before you... You know what I mean?
It did.
Are you sure? Because I know on these cars, when you shut off the ignition, it'll just stay wherever it was last. Alright, let's try again. Alright, that's not bad. Alright, so we probably have to bring it over a little bit more, right? A little bit more towards the passenger side.
You think so?
Yeah, because it's wiping all the way down here. You probably want to have it here so it has an even wipe across. And we will get a bigger wiper. We're gonna show you guys what to get later as soon as we're done here.
We have to measure that.
Yeah. Can't wait to have this thing up and running. Alright, so clock it a little bit more.
Don't break it. The threads are really delicate.
Alright, then you're gonna have to...
Bend it back, I'll hold it. Here?
Put it down. I think a little bit more down.
More? There?
No, spin it a little bit more.
To me?
Yes. Right there.
Oh, it's like all the way down though.
That's perfect. Right there. All right, guys. I think that's gonna be our perfect, like, even angle for both sides. And this, I'll probably do another video on what we do with that, but I think we're just gonna cap it. Look at that. Who needs that? Oh, capped. Look at that. Perfect. Can't even tell it's there.
More.
All right, so we're gonna bring it, rotate a little bit more towards the driver's side. I think just a hair, bro. We're only missing a hair.
That's like half of my vision.
It's a good thing it's raining so we can actually tell where it's wiping. The things we do for the Rug Mirror Boys. Please like, comment, and subscribe so we can keep making videos in the rain. Danny's really struggling with his. Oh. Try that. It's really annoying clogging this. Oh, that pass. Alright, I feel like it was there before. Oh. Like you can literally clock it to wherever you want. A little bit more. Like it needs a hair. Lift it up again. Lift it up again. Alright, now bring it up and I'm gonna spin it right there. I think that's it. Alright, this might be the right angle. Wait for Danny to tighten it up and then we're gonna give it a test wipe, see how that goes. By the way, these BMW, oh look at that wipeage. I still think it could go a hair down.
On that side?
Yeah.
No, it's even, look.
I know, but it's still, go again and wipe. Go again, go again. It could for sure go like one more line down, but it's pretty good.
How about we drive it to the auto parts store and test it?
That's not a bad idea. Good idea, Danny.
If it starts.
Yeah, still gotta fix the idle on this. All right, so we're testing it now.
Yeah, that's not really good.
All right, so we're gonna give you guys a interior view. Now, what I was saying about these sunshade visor things, they are great. Fits the window perfectly. I had one on my E93, but it doesn't fit with the radar and the dash cam, so I just got a regular one. But I'll probably make a custom one in the future. Oh, give it a little rev. Give it a little rev. Little rev, Danny. Yeah, they fit perfect. So don't ever like think, oh, it's not gonna fit. Yeah, they fit perfectly and they're amazing. I have one on that one too, but it's tucked in. So we're gonna give you guys an inside view now. All right, Danny wanted me to show you guys a video of it starting before we go. Oh, turned off. So this is what the Monowiper looks like from the inside of the car. That is pretty cool. We're on the way to the auto parts store now to get the new wiper. And we're gonna show you guys which one we get. All right, so we just left the auto parts store. We're still in the parking lot, just bought the wiper. We got a 22 Trico standard blade. We're gonna try it out right now, show you guys the results. Couldn't wait to get home to do the swap. There's a 22, check it. Look at that. Perfect. Look at that mono wipage. Awesome. So we bought that Trico wiper at E30 Auto Parts for about $5. Not a bad deal. We did the Euro wiper, mono wiper conversion thing for $5 and like 10 minutes. So like, comment, subscribe to see more videos. Thanks for watching.